China, for the first time, proposed an international science and technology cooperation initiative at the Belt and Road Conference on Science and Technology Exchange in southwest China's Chongqing municipality on Monday. The initiative calls for advocating and practicing the concept of open, fair, just, and non-discriminatory international cooperation in science and technology, adhering to the principle that science has no borders and benefits all mankind, and joining hands to build a global community of science and technology. Science ministers or their representatives from 24 participating countries of the Belt and Road Initiative took part in the meeting. Many attendees have voiced welcome to the initiative.
It was a great opportunity to me to come here and work together with the Chinese colleague.
We have a cooperation with Southwest University. We published some papers and I come here today to make more in-depth cooperation. I think more than one country have some achievement. I think the idea for Belt and Road is a very good idea. I think the achievement is good to gather today here from different areas of the world, and we have all of them have the same thinking about innovation and to get high technology to serve the world. It is very nice.
The Belt and Road Initiative can give a lot of chances to any researchers, even more the ones from developing countries. Different researchers from different backgrounds and disciplines coming together can help to generate ideas. I think cooperation often brings innovation. So I think this kind of platform provided by the conference can offer many opportunities to young scientists for growing scientific projects relevant to the Belt and Road Initiative.